Wasabi, you guys. Silver here, and we're gonna do something very, very cool. We're gonna do an integration bee for AIs. Yes, we're gonna do an AI integration bee. This is something that I've always wanted to do for a very long time. Many years later, we finally have multiple AI models to test with. I have the problems in my notebook. I might have to separate whole series into multiple videos. It's gonna be quite interesting to see how good these AIs can speed integrate. Now, before we start, I'm gonna let all of you guys know all of these AI, these models are free models. Okay, so I know some of you might be like, "Wait, but you didn't use ChatGPT 01. That model can solve math problems better than what you're." Well, guess what? It ain't free. Okay, if it ain't free, it ain't competing. We're gonna use the regular ChatGPT. Okay, so all of these AI models, they are free. Okay, they're all free. So I'm only using free AI models. I'm sorry, but you know, if there might be a better AI model that can solve better complex math problems or Olympiad level math problems. Well, guess what? It's not free, therefore I can't access it. I'm not gonna. It ain't competing. Let me go ahead and go through our AI contestants. We have the Microsoft Copilot here. We have the Google AI. This is the Gemini 1.5 Pro. That's the model we're going to be using. So we have the Google AI. We have the DeepSeek. We are enabling DeepThink as well. We also have the ChatGPT. I don't know which model this is. It's just a regular ChatGPT model. But who cares? We have the Julius AI, your personal math AI. We have Mathful, a math problem AI solver. We also have, this is Agilix. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm sorry, but this is also another AI math solver. We have Deep AI. Okay, so those are our AI contestants, and we're gonna see who will make it the farthest into the AI integration bee. Now I have a chart here that I'll be keeping track. Let's start with the qualifying round, where we start with easier integrals, just easy integrals. Trust me, I promise you, these are easy integrals. Here we have the following integral, right? And it seems to... Wait, where's your answer? Oh no, did it really just set... Oh my god. That's disappointing. I thought Copilot knows better than this. Dang. Ooh, we have an answer for Google AI. We have pi over 6 plus 3 root 3 over 4. And that is correct. Yes, that is the correct answer. Oh, yeah, USub. Oh, that's not the USub I was thinking about, but wow, that... I mean, if it turned out nice, oh, they used trig sub. Alright, how about DeepSeek? Ooh, also correct. What happened here? However, you cannot... Wait, what? Pi root 2... Yeah, it messed up somewhere. I'm sorry. ChatGPT, that is incorrect. Julius. You cannot numerically approximate. Oh my goodness, no. Okay, how about you? Equals result? What? Try calculating. You son of... That's evil. They're just like, here, I split it in 2 integrals for you. Do it yourself. It answered pi over 4 minus 1. Yeah, I am sorry, but that is also incorrect. Conclusion. The final results as follows without heavy computation. Where's your answer? Using numerical methods, oh my god! Without exhaustive, then where's your answer? If you think this is easy without exhaustive computation, why are you using numerical math? Oh my god. Only 2 AIs. Alright, next problem. Alright, so for our second problem, what happened here? uh, something went wrong with the rendering. I hope this doesn't affect its integral process. Oh no. Oh lord. Wait, what? E squared or plus 2. Wait. Do I have the wrong answer? Hold on, let me check. No, I don't. I don't have the wrong answer. That is really... Oh, it did the U equal... Oh my god, no! Don't do this. Don't do this. Oh no. Oh, okay. See, so there's potential. So DeepSeek knows. DeepSeek. Oh, thank goodness. 1 point for DeepSeek. ChatGPT, I don't know how that. What did you do? What did you do? Oh no! Julius. Julius, no. Julius, no. No, Julius. Oh! Oh! I swear it's not that hard. I promise. Come on. You can do it. You got this. Come on, integrate it. Just integrate it. Come on. You're almost there. Just circle your answer. Or give me your answer. Come on. You're almost there. You got this. Come on. You're close. You're so close. Just kind of just reach. You're just right there in 1 pixel. Come on. Just come on. Do I have to refresh? I might have to refresh. Okay, well, Mathful, something went wrong. Can I go like this? And I hope for the best. Okay, so we have an answer. What? Huh? No. No. So finally Mathful finally loaded in. Final answer is ln of e plus 1. Yeah, no, not even close. I'm sorry, Mathful. Oh! Oh! That's crazy. Deep AI got it. Come, look at that. That's crazy. Awesome. Alright, I guess moving on to this third problem. Alright, we have our third problem. And it looks a little promising until I solve this. And I'm like, oh no. Oh no. I really hope it doesn't mess up and it cannot solve it. Numerical methods. Oh. We have negative e. Is that correct? Yes, it is. Negative e is the final answer. Yes. DeepSeek. Negative. What the hell did you do? Oh my god. No. No. Well, you got the answer, so that's a point for you, DeepSeek. But oh god, no. Well, all you had to do is just integration by parts. What is it? Derive this and integrate ln of x. ChatGPT, returning to the main integral. What? Okay, but why didn't you plug in the bounds? Because you did not solve it. You just kind of stopped. Oh, okay. All right. There you go. That's all you had to say. It requires numerical. Okay. I swear to Julius. Oh. Oh. Okay. I mean, it did give an answer. It just used. It was like, oh, let's use Simpson's rule, and according to Simpson's rule, this is negative e, and that's literally what it did. Oh no, numerical methods to approximate. Unfortunate. Also, unfortunate because it thinks it's non-elementary, but it is an elementary integral if you know how to solve it. But unfortunate. You're just right here. What happened? You're literally right here. This cancels out everything. What are you doing? Diverges. I mean, yes, it does have an improper it is an improper integral, but it does not diverge. It actually does converge. That's interesting. To the next integral. Alright, moving on to our fourth integral, we have this. Wow. I don't know what happened here. Oh god. Numerical methods. Wow. Use something like Mathematica, Maple, or Wolfram out. No. No. Okay, that I need to express that somehow. And it is, I think that's correct, yeah. 2 to the power of 15, yep, that's what I got. Alright, yeah, that's correct. Numerical values. I don't think that's even the correct, oh, it is correct numerical value. But, it is not in exact form, I'm sorry, but we cannot accept that. It does not. Does not. Also numerical values. Unfortunate. Unfortunate. Oh! Oh! You were so good here. Okay, this was correct. But you messed up. How did you mess? How? Oh, it messed up its computation somewhere, and then it. Yeah. Nope. Also numerical values. I guess the only one that got it is surprisingly DeepSeek. So unfortunately, we're gonna have to disqualify Mathful. Apparently, we have ran out of questions to ask. Moving on to our fifth integral. Where the hell happened to the x? No. That's not true at all. No. Okay, ln of 2. That's actually, yes, this is ln of 2. Thank you for correcting me. Ooh. Jesus Christ. DeepSeek? Okay. In no way in hell it did ramp substitution. But okay. ln of 2, that is correct. Alright, ChatGPT. Also the same as Copilot. Wow, both got pi over 2. Because they did Kosh. Unfortunately, that is incorrect. Julius. ln of 2, that is correct. Yes, Julius, it is ln of 2 using, I don't know about that, but you're close. Nice Python skills, by the way. Agilix. What did you get? Pi over 2 made the same mistake as well. They got ln of 2 as well for deep AI. Amazing. Nice. We're getting there. We're getting there. It's getting interesting now. Integrals are slowly becoming more difficult. So, we have here partial fraction decomposition. Very scary. This is actually very risky. I do not recommend doing this in speed integration because you can mess up your computation. Wow, very close, but that's actually incorrect, unfortunately. This is the correct answer. Ooh! Okay. Jesus. Okay. So unfortunately, it made a mistake. I'm sorry, Google, but that's incorrect. Yes! Wow. DeepSeek is surprisingly, I think it's because it's DeepThink, but hey, I mean, if it's free, that's you know, that's huge props. ChatGPT, would you like me to? Yes. What do you? What? Yes. Oh my. Oh, okay. All right. Thanks. Not even close. Not even close. 0.0826. Yes. However, I want the exact form. Complex calculations. Dang. Unfortunate. Unfortunate. Here? What? What happened? Did it just stop? What happened? What just happened? What happened? Okay. Thus. Uh-huh. Yes. Final results. We got. Oh, that actually. Wait. Okay. Pi. Let me check. Pi over. Oh. Dang. No, that's incorrect. So close. Super close. But unfortunately, only DeepSeek got it. Now I don't blame them. That was a difficult integral. Moving on to the next integral, we have a very trappy, improper integral. This is very trappy. You have to be very careful not to diverge. So, let's see what this one did. It diverged. Oof. Oof. Unfortunate. No! It does not diverge. It does not diverge. Ooh, so again, it's a very trappy integral. Woo! And of course, DeepSeek never fails. That's crazy. That is crazy. Yes, this is the correct answer. It equals to 1/2. You must be very careful when you evaluate the bounds. The integral part is easy, right? But the bounds is what makes it a difficult integral sometimes, because people would think, oh, it's equal to 0 or it diverges, but it does not. It does not equal to 0 and it does not equal to infinity. It converges to 1/2. You have to not dive into divergence. No. They use asymptote. Oof. Not the best idea. Wow. 0.49. That's crazy. Huh. Yeah, no, I'm sorry, but that's not exact. No. Yep, used up your. Oh. It does not want to continue any further, so Julix is unfortunately going to be disqualified. The integral diverges. Oh, no, it does not diverge. It does not diverge. It does not diverge. The answer is indeed 1/2. All right, next integral. It looks a little bit easier. It is kind of a little bit easier, but it's computationally harder for the AI. So I'm just throwing this at it, and it seems to, yeah, as you can see, yeah, no, this is not correct. This is not 24 over e. 9 is correct, yes. It is still integrating. Oh, and it got 9, as I saw. Oh no, it's separating. But it does use gamma function. Okay, but the answer is 9. Very good. Oh, no thank you. Don't do this. What just happened? What are the other... What? Please continue. Okay, no, I'm just gonna... Moving on. You should get 9, yes. And what else we got? Also 9, very good. Deep AI got it as well. So this is our next integral. And we have from 0 to 1, x to the power 4 arcsine. And with integration by parts, we get where on earth happened. What? You can't just leave it like that? What? No! Simple. What? Okay, it got correct. Yes, it's pi over 10 minus something. You got pi over 10. And then you left minus, and then this integral. Please simplify that. Yeah, what? No. This is wrong. No, that's not always true. No. Oh my god, I did Wally's trick incorrectly. How about this one? We have, okay, 16 over 150. What is 16 over 150? 8 over 75. Oh, that is correct. Also correct. It's like the same answer. No, it's not. I realized. What the hell happened here? What did you do? Oh no. What happened here? Oh, you had the answer, but you No! You accidentally added it! Oh my god! Oh, I'm not gonna... Okay. No. 0 messages left. Dang. No. Close. You're very close, but it's 8 over 75, not 8 over 20. 1 over 20. 8 over 120, but yeah. Sorry. That is incorrect. And it says 0 messages left, but unfortunately we're gonna have to disqualify Julius. I'm sorry, Julius, but you are out. 7.5 pi? minus 870. What is 7 point? Oh, pi over 10. Yeah. Okay. That's technically exact form if you think about it. Alright, we are down to 5 AIs. Crazy, and we're still in the qualifying round. I actually have 10 more integrals to go. We have 10 more integrals to go, and we're down to 5 AIs. But that's okay. Here we have a crazy looking integral, and yes, it is just reverse product rule. Now, does it know that? Unfortunately, it does not. Google? -1! That is correct, yes. -1 is correct. Very nice. Yes, it realized that there is a reverse product rule. Yes, very nice. DeepSeek is still trying to figure it out. But let's see if how long is geez. Holy okay. I'll let that still. I think it got it. -1. Oh, and there it goes. And yep, that's gonna explain. Reverse product rule. Yes. This equals to -1. Very nice. That is correct. No. No. And then here, what do we got? It concludes, it equals to 0. Unfortunately, that is incorrect. I am sorry. Nice try. It was worth a try. Alright, for this integral, this is very tricky too, if you're not very careful. But it's a lot of algebra manipulation going on here. You have to conjugate, and then you have to complete the square, and then use the area of a partial circle. Now, did it do that? Obviously no, because it's not trained very well to do conjugation. And yeah. Holy hell. Okay. Oh no! What happened here? So close. But that is incorrect. This is correct. Yes, it is 1 minus pi over 2. ChatGPT, I'm not surprised. Yeah, there's no way in hell. Okay. And here we have results evaluated to 0. What? How? Dang. Okay. Well, no, that is incorrect, unfortunately. Alright, now integrals are getting a lot more difficult. A lot more difficult. For the first time, Copilot actually... See, I told you, I swear to God, Copilot actually knows how to integrate. For some reason, throughout the entire 10 integrals, or 11 integrals, it just couldn't solve them. And here we are now, all of a sudden, Copilot can solve it. It's crazy. Yes, that is correct. And then also 2, yep, ChatGPT still cannot figure it out, unfortunately. Math AI, we got 2 as well. Very nice. This is going to be very, very tricky now. Oh no. Dang. Numerical approximation. That's unfortunate. Dang. I'm not surprised though. This is very difficult. Very tricky. Well, it's not super difficult. It's just very sneaky. If you don't, you just have to not fall into a trap. As you can see, that is surprisingly correct. Yes, it is. The answer is indeed 4. For DeepSeek, this is also correct. Yes, 4. ChatGPT, incorrect as always. Math AI, Deep AI. Oh, wow. It also got it correct. 4. Dang. That is crazy. Alright, I have my special integral. I just want to throw this in. And I'm not expecting any correct answers because this is very difficult. Yeah. Using advanced integration techniques or approximation methods. Yeah, I don't blame this. I want to throw this for those that are cannot be expressed in elementary functions. That is incorrect. Yes, you can, because I made it specifically to express it in elementary functions. How about DeepSeek? Oh! Yeah, no, I would not be surprised if no AIs can get this. It is a very, very extremely difficult integral, because it's literally this and nothing else. Nothing else can be convergent. Yeah. The integral cannot be expressed in terms of elementary functions. Yeah, I'm sorry. And then here, obviously, I'm not surprised. Some form of EI function. Dang. Yeah, no AI has gotten this. Yeah. That's unfortunate. Yeah, no AI, not even DeepSeek, can solve this, but it is an elementary integral. Alright, we are coming out with the periodicity integral, and oh no, no, oh god, the binomial theorem, oh no, it's not even correct either. Holy hell, what just happened? No, this is also incorrect. Oh no! It's not 2, it's supposed to be a half. Wait, no, it's still not. Oh, yeah, no. It messed up somewhere, but this is not correct. It is not 36 pi. There we go, we got 9 pi over 2. ChatGPT also cannot evaluate whatsoever. And, ooh, Deep AI got it right as well, 9 pi over 2. That's crazy. Deep AI it's actually impressing me a lot more than I thought. Very, very unexpected. Alright, we are throwing in a infinite function. Now, it's a very easy integral, for sure. But, because it's an infinite function, can AIs handle this? And it seems like it can. Wow. We have 1/2. Google got it. Very easy. DeepSeek also got it. Very easy. Alright, ChatGPT. Wow, also got it. And Math AI. Deep AI also got it as well. All AIs got it right for the first time. Wow. We have our next integral. It cannot render for some reason, but it's okay. It is a big integral. And yeah, it cannot solve it. How about this one? The answer is 1. It does not equal to 1, unfortunately. How about this one? It's still integrating. Oh no. Oh no, it's gone far too deep into the advanced methods. ChatGPT, no. Deep AI. Numerical yeah, no. Okay, well, it's all up to DeepSeek. Oh, it cannot be expressed. Oh, that's unfortunate. It can. Yes, it can. The answer was root pi over e. Okay, that was the answer. And unfortunately, none of the AIs got it right. It was a Gaussian integral. Alright, we have our next integral. And, of course, symbolic. Numerical approximation. It does not know how to do absorption. That is correct. Yes, it is. This is the correct answer. DeepSeek, it is having trouble. Wow. Oh no. Come on. You can do it. I believe in you. Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Numerical integration is recommended. ChatGPT, of course, numerical evaluation. And 1 over 4048. Close, but unfortunately that is incorrect. Only Google got this right. That's insane. Wow. Alright. Getting more surprises from these AIs. Alright, of course I gotta throw in a King's rule. This is a algebra trap for the AI. And I think I trapped Copilot. Pi over 8. No, that is incorrect. Answer is not pi over 8. How about Google? 1/2 is correct. Yes, the King's rule. DeepSeek also got it. No problem. Kind of did the same thing for Copilot, but no. It got lost. Also got 1/2. Nice. Yes, that is correct. It is indeed 1/2. Alrighty, this is our last qualifying round integral, and it is the hardest one, of course, because that's just how qualifying exams are. And we have, let's see, a Dirichlet series. I don't know if does this even equal to pi over 2 minus 1/2? Yes, it is. It is surprisingly correct. Wow. Correct sum, but it does not know how to compute it. It does not have a simple closed. Oh, yeah. No, it can't. I'm sorry. Yeah. No. No. Woo! But Google got it. Nice. So Google got that one. How about DeepSeek? Also got it too. Very nice. ChatGPT? Just like Copilot. Wow. But does not know how to... Okay. Unfortunate. Unfortunate. Pi over 2! Oh, wait. No! Oh, no! No! It got here using the standard properties known as pi over 2 minus 1/2, thus the final evaluation of the integral is known. Pi over 2! No! It just... Oh my god! No! It boxed in the incorrect answer. I'm sorry, Deep AI, but I cannot give you a point for it. You were so close! You were so close. You had it right here. But unfortunately, you boxed in pi over 2, which is incorrect. That is it. That's all the qualifying integrals. Here are the results. Unfortunately, only 3 AIs are going to make it to the next round, which is the regular round. So the following AIs that has surpassed the qualifying exam is the Google AI, Gemini 1.5 Pro, the DeepSeek with the DeepThink enabled, and surprisingly Deep AI. Okay, these are the 3 AIs that will make it to the next round. For Copilot and ChatGPT, I am sorry. Stay tuned for the regular round. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.